So dry or diagnostic. Okay.
All right.
So you turn it
So
on.
we have it at normal.
Okay.
Hit start. Hit cancel. Hit power. Temp and select at the same time.
Okay.
Diagnostic.
Okay. And so what's this showing?
1 is the motor. 2 is the heater. 3 is the temp. 4 is mist valve.
Okay.
So we're gonna go to 4.
Well, so you turn the dial to see the number. Okay.
And then we're gonna hit start. Hear that?
I hear
Misting.
something. Oh, okay.
I think it might stop if I open up the door. Yes. Now you put your hand inside
And you
there.
can see that it's all wet. Yeah, no doubt. No
you
doubt. So it's misting from up here in
From
the
there.
corner?
Yes, sir.
Well, that seems pretty straightforward.
Yep.
Okay. How do we get it out of diagnostic then?
You can't see it, but it's coming out.
It's so fine. You could, yeah.
So, power off. Power on.
And I'm back to
into
normal.
a normal rotation.
All right.
Okay.